Hindlimb. One of the biggest and easiest muscles to find is the biceps femoris in red. And so if we reflect our biceps femoris, underneath we have the sciatic nerve. On the side of the biceps femoris that's next to the tail, so in between the tail and the biceps femoris, we have these white pins. These are in the semitendinosus. So the semitendinosus wraps around to the medial side and inserts on the top of the tibia. On the other side of our biceps femoris, we have the pink pins in the caudofemoralis. And then if we come over from the caudofemoralis, we've got our vastus lateralis, which has this kind of teal pin in it. And then up from the vastus lateralis, we've got our gluteus superficialis, which has white pins in it. And the gluteus superficialis was cut and reflected so that we can see the gluteus medius underneath, which has a yellow pin in it. This little muscle over here that has the little blue pin in it, that's the tensor fasciolata. Usually it has a band of connective tissue attached to it called an aponeurosis. But in this case, we've cut that and we've reflected the tensor fasciolata backwards. So that exposes not just our vastus lateralis, but also the rectus femoris with the black pin in it. And then the mint green pin down there, you can see the vastus intermedius. So the vastus intermedius is only visible if you pull the rectus femoris apart from the vastus medialis. So that's the vastus intermedius with the mint green. This is still rectus femoris with the black pin. And then over here, this piece of muscle, this belongs to the sartorius with the blue pin in it. On the medial side, we can see the vastus medialis with the yellow pin. And then this little muscle with the red pin in it, kind of behind this network of blood vessels, that's the pectineus with the red pin. And then next to the pectineus in the red is our green pin, which is in the adductor longus. And then the black pins are in the adductor magnus et brevis. And then the blue pins are in the semimembranosus. And then this white pin is in the semitendinosus. The gastric memmeus is sometimes visible from the medial side. That's the gastric memmeus. And on this mink, it has a purple pin in it.